At the St. Pius graduation ceremony, the girls wear white gowns and the boys wear black. That's school policy. And St. Pius is insisting Damien is a girl.
I just want to have a happy graduation and just walk in my black robe, nice and proud, and just have a memory to look back on, with my family and friends.
The St. Pius senior might not have that experience with fellow students next week.
I would rather not walk than to embarrass myself by wearing a female robe.
Garcia was born Brandy Garcia, but identifies as a male, even having a legal name change earlier this year. Fellow students, teachers, and faculty call Garcia Damien, and so does Damien's family.
I look at him and I call him my son, and that's how he wishes to be acknowledged, is as a male.
The St. Pius tradition is for men to wear black gowns at graduation and women to wear white. The superintendent tells News 13 if there's any question on which gown a student should wear, the school goes by what the student's birth certificate says. Despite the new name, Damien's new birth certificate still says female. So the superintendent says Garcia can choose to wear the female gown or not walk across the stage at all.
It's just something that's very difficult to go through because you see your child suffer and you never want to see your child suffer.
Damien's father calls the school's decision heartbreaking.
Heartbreaking, because all you want in life is for your kids to be happy and healthy, and you never want to see them suffer or be ridiculed or be made fun of.
I just want to graduate and walk with my friends and classmates, and I don't even have a cap and gown.
The Garcias say they're not expecting the school to change policy by next week, but hope the school would consider eventually having all students wear the same colored gowns to avoid the situation altogether. Back to you.